Okay, so I want to find out how strong this material for heat. So let's see. So this material is not quite strong, it's burning, but oh, also this one. It's interesting. This one is completely burned out, this side. But this one is okay. So depends on the location, right? So this wire, even wire eventually burned out here. It didn't happen right now though. It happened while I was using sauna. But this part's still okay. I wonder how much. Oh, interesting. So this one, this wire tied to here, but this one is directly. Okay. So I wonder how strong are those material. This. Wow. So this wire material is pretty strong. See? See, this wire material is pretty strong. Won't get burned. Interesting. So as a result, even this one get really hot. Should be okay. Interesting. Of course, this one should be strong too, right? Or is that different? I'm not sure how much. I'm thinking it's going to be the same material. Yeah, it's going to be the same material. So let's try again. How about how strong is this black material? This black material is pretty strong. Like this. Pretty strong. So overall, these materials are pretty reliable.